Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC, 90mm 6S ZEUS.
Retract down.
Gonna take her up, have a little bit of fun with her. Just flying, no speed test, no speed rating, just flying. Flying for fun. Otherwise, why do it? All right. Gonna fly my high rates. Which for me are 80% on the ailerons, 100% on the elevator, 100% on the rudder. Okay. Takeoff flaps, because there's no wind.
Flaps up, gear up.
Flying because we can.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Retracts down, landing flaps. Braking. Cruise mode.
I almost kept her up on the runway, or off the grass. See how thick that grass is. All right.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Here we go.
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. Retracts down. Landing flaps.
Try to slow my roll a little bit.
Braking. Cruise mode. Flaps up.
Got 2 takeoffs, 2 landings. Try one more.
Takeoff flaps.
Here we go, right away.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Run a 6,000 HRB. Looks like I got one
Down. Landing flaps.
retract door wanting to hang up. That's okay, I can fix that.
Time remaining 1 minute. Braking. Cruise mode.
Man, I love this jet. Great flying jet. All right, folks.
Flaps up.
First off, Let's take a look at this beautiful beast. I mean, got these beautiful retractable doors, retracts, got that cam on. It should be just slightly on. Yeah, I like it just slightly on for idle. And just a gorgeous plane. Absolutely, kind of heavy too. All right. And my hatch mod, I put a little bit of extra material, plastic right there, because that pin doesn't come out very far. And I was kept popping my hatch, so I put a little extra material, and that gives that more for that pin to grab a hold of. All right, let's check our battery. And okay, 39%. I've got the 6000 HRB all the way forward as I can get. Okay, and CG on this plane is right here. It's actually marked underneath the wings. I'm going to check it with the gear down. I mean, I've heard, for every person tells me that says check it with the gear down, I've heard someone say no, check it with the gear up. So we're going to check it with the gear up. Okay, I put my finger right on the CG there. Okay. Maybe slightly nose heavy. All right, so let's put the gear up without dropping the plane. Got that one wanting to hang up there. All right, now, let's see. Slightly nose heavy, that's okay. That's good for flying. I mean, yeah, you probably want to be more level, but hey, she flies great. What I need to do is undo this gear, lift it up a little bit, maybe put a little bit of washer and rake it forward just a little bit, because it's slightly bent back and it's catching on that back wheel. Or I might just carve a little bit of foam out and don't worry about it. So, all right, there you go, folks. That's ZEUS. This is Fat Guy Flies RC, and I keep going back and forth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then ZEUS 90mm 6S power. Bye-bye.